Hey, 8th grade girls choir. I just wanted to come on here and thank you for such an incredible year. I don't think anyone could have imagined how this year would end. And as I'm thinking, like right now, we would have been singing at graduation, and so that's kind of a hard thing to feel because you feel, I'm sure you feel like something was kind of taken away from you by not being able to do that. But hopefully, the online promotion and the car parade will cheer you up a little. So I just want to thank you for such a good year. I feel like I started in my mind at the beginning of the year with a little bit of doubt, like what is this group going to be able to do? Are we going to even be able to do the combined choir because that music, or the 9-12 combined choir, because the music's so hard? Is this group ready for that challenge? And I have to say, I feel like you guys really did step into that challenge when we got to that time. And so I was so proud of you, just seeing that growth that you had and knowing that you were stepping up to the challenge and seeing you guys perform with those high schoolers was great. That was probably one of my favorite moments of the year. And so I just want to again thank you for such a great year. You're my second class that I've seen go from 6th to 8th grade, and I've really enjoyed having you all 3 years and getting to know you as people. You are great humans, and I know you will do great things. And I wish we were doing this in person. I wish I could hug you all because I really care about you, and I really miss you a lot. This quarter was really hard on me. I don't know if it was hard on you, but I miss getting to see you every day, and I miss getting to work with you. So reminder, I'm always here. I know you're going to high school, but I'm not going away. So if you ever need someone to talk to, or you just want to update me on your life, don't forget you have to keep telling me about your life. I want to know all the great things you're doing in high school. So feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here. Thank you for being the great humans that you are. I miss you so much. I love you. I care about you. Let me know if you need anything. And I hope to see you all again soon sometime. All right, guys. Bye, 8th graders.